ago, Karen and I sat around this same table and we talked about our concerns and our fears for our children.
Our biggest fear is what will happen to them when we are no longer here.
A lot of people told us that our dream was too big and to keep dreaming.
And thankfully, we did.
Most moms, we don't want to think of the future because then it's like, you know, it's like crazy.
To be honest, we stared at the ceiling up at night, fearing for that reality.
Not only will it be affordable housing for him, okay, and all the residents, but it'll be a community.
It would allow me to also make new friends. Well, my mom can hear this, so I'm gonna say, without parents! Ha! But I still love them. I can see them once in a while.
Casa Familia is only possible thanks to our founding families, all of our board members, all of our extremely generous donors, our elected officials, and our amazing community.